So here we are outside 24 Uganda Street in Morris Green. Property is on the market with no onward chain. Set on a quiet residential street, as I say, in the popular area of Morris Green. It does need some work doing to the property internally. We've got the gated access to a low maintenance garden here. Let's go in and have a look and see what's on offer. So here we are inside 24 Uganda Street. Got for you a mid-terrace property, garden fronted, which does need some work doing to it inside, as we can see. So this is the first reception room, the lounge. A nice double glazed window there to the front, lets in plenty of natural light. Gas fire there. A door which leads through to the second reception or the dining area. Again, door up here leading to the stairs, which we'll look at the first floor shortly. Good size second reception. Again, as you can see, we've got the understairs storage available there. Double glazed window to the rear, and we've got a sliding glass door which leads us into the kitchen. Good size, just like everywhere else, does need modernisation, but it is a good size kitchen. Range of fitted wall and base units, and you've got space obviously for a gas cooker, washing machine and dryer, and a fridge freezer there. Double glazed window to the side, and a door which leads us to the rear yard. So here we are on the first floor landing. Property is 3 bedrooms, so the back bedroom has been split. We'll go into the main bedroom, really good sized double room. We've got fitted wardrobes there, double glazed window there overlooking the front, and of course the radiator. Straight across from ourselves we have, this is the third bedroom even. We've got a double glazed window which overlooks the yard to the rear and the radiator. Back across the landing we have the second bedroom. Again, same as the third, double glazed window to the rear and the radiator. The bathroom is a 3-piece suite. Obviously you can hear the extractor fan there. You've got the WC pedestal sink and panelled bath with a mixer tap. Does need modernising, as we can see. Right, let's take a look outside. Here we are outside 24 Uganda Street in the rear enclosed yard. As you can see, we've got a roller shutter door there to the rear, so potentially you can park your car if need be. It's an old brick storage shed, and that is the kitchen extension there, brick built. It does have a flat roof, so that might need looking at, but other than that, really good size property. For further information, and indeed to arrange a viewing, please contact ourselves at Cardwell's Estate Agents in Bolton on 01204 381 281.